We asked not one, but three of the world's most advanced artificial intelligences, Google Gemini, OpenAI's GPT-5, and Elon Musk's Grok, to predict the future price of XRP. And I can confidently say this, the answers will shock you. So if you have any interest in cryptocurrency, or if you're holding even a small amount of XRP, you're going to want to watch this entire video. Because today, we're breaking down exactly what each AI predicts for XRP over the next 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months, and most importantly, when and how XRP could realistically exceed $20,000 per coin. In this video, I'll be revealing the predictions from all three AIs, comparing them head-to-head, and then calculating how much money you could potentially make if XRP reaches these targets. This video is packed with information you do not want to miss. And just before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. Now, before we dive into the predictions, let's quickly explain what these AIs actually are, because that matters more than most people realize. What are Gemini, GPT-5, and Grok? Google Gemini is a family of multimodal large language models developed by Google DeepMind. It's designed to process massive amounts of real-world data, including macroeconomic trends, institutional finance, and emerging technologies. GPT-5, developed by OpenAI, is currently the most powerful AI model available for public use. It is exponentially more capable than previous models and excels at long-term forecasting, scenario analysis, and probabilistic reasoning. Grok, developed by Elon Musk's xAI, is trained with a strong emphasis on real-time data, global narratives, and financial system shifts. It is particularly focused on macro disruption, institutional behavior, and technological inflection points. All three AIs were given the same role prompt, instructed to base predictions on current XRP fundamentals, market structure, global liquidity, institutional adoption, and regulatory trends, rather than pulling random price targets from the internet. XRP's current position. Before looking forward, we need to anchor ourselves in the present. At the time of recording this video, XRP is trading around $2, with a market capitalization of approximately $180 billion, making it one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world. As always, keep in mind that prices may have changed by the time you're watching this, and nothing in this video is financial advice. How the predictions work. Each AI was asked to provide price predictions across 4 scenarios: bearish, neutral, bullish, most realistic. And these predictions were given across 3 timeframes: 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Let's start with the 90-day outlook. 90-day XRP predictions. Google Gemini, 3 months. Bearish scenario, $2.40. A broader crypto pullback combined with risk-off macro sentiment could push XRP back toward major support levels. Neutral scenario, $3.30. XRP consolidates alongside the broader market, holding key levels without a major catalyst. Bullish scenario, $6.80. A strong altcoin rotation fueled by ETF momentum and renewed institutional interest pushes XRP into price expansion. Most realistic scenario, $4.90. Gemini suggests XRP continues to outperform without entering full speculative mania. GPT-5, 3 months. Bearish, $2.10. Neutral, $3.30. Bullish, $7.50. Most realistic, $5.25. GPT-5 places a slightly higher probability on near-term upside due to improving liquidity conditions and regulatory clarity. Grok, 3 months. Conservative range, $3.50 to $5. Bullish range, $8 to $12. Grok does not fixate on exact numbers, but emphasizes accelerating momentum and early institutional positioning. 90-day profit calculation. If you hold 334 XRP, a move to $5 puts your holdings near $1,670. At $7.50, that pushes it to $2,505. And remember, this is just the beginning. Now, let's move into the 6-month predictions, where things start to get interesting. 6-month XRP predictions. Google Gemini, 6 months. Bearish, $1.80. Neutral, $3.90. Bullish, $14. Most realistic, $7.20. Gemini highlights ETF inflows, tokenization pilots, and improving global liquidity as key drivers. GPT-5, 6 months. Bearish, $2. Neutral, $4.20. Bullish, $18. Most realistic, $9.50. GPT-5 places greater weight on institutional adoption curves and mid-cycle capital rotation into utility-driven assets. Grok, 6 months. Moderate bull case, $20 to $40. Aggressive bull case, $60 plus. Grok explicitly points to CBDC interoperability, tokenized real-world assets, and cross-border settlement demand as accelerating forces. 6-month profit calculation. At $9.50, 334 XRP becomes $3,173. At $20, it becomes $6,680. At $40, you're looking at $13,360. And we haven't even reached the most important time frame yet. 12-month XRP predictions. If you're still watching, make sure you like the video and comment what price you think XRP will hit in exactly 1 year. Google Gemini, 12 months. Bearish, $2.50. Neutral, $5.20. Bullish, $22. Most realistic, $12.80. Gemini notes increasing institutional settlement usage and early-stage tokenization adoption.
GPT-5, 12 months. Bearish, $3. Neutral, $6. Bullish, $30. Most realistic, $18.50. GPT-5 emphasizes regulatory clarity, ETF maturation, and structural capital inflows. Grok, 12 months. Base case, $25 to $50. Aggressive case, $100 plus. Grok suggests XRP could enter true price discovery if utility demand overtakes speculative trading. When could XRP exceed $20,000? We asked all 3 AIs the same question. Under what conditions could XRP realistically exceed $20,000 per coin? The answer was unanimous on one thing. It would require a global financial paradigm shift. Google Gemini's view. Gemini suggests a potential window between 2035 and 2040, assuming XRP becomes a dominant interbank settlement layer with multi-trillion-dollar daily volume. GPT-5's view. GPT-5 points to 2030 to 2038, contingent on tokenization of bonds, derivatives, and sovereign assets flowing through the XRPL. Grok's view. Grok frames it differently. If XRP becomes core financial infrastructure, price becomes secondary. In that scenario, $20,000 is not speculative, it's mathematical. Final thoughts. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. The biggest risk with XRP isn't volatility, it's selling too early. History is filled with people who sold ETH at $1, Bitcoin at $100, and XRP at $1, thinking they were smart. Years later, all they're left with is regret. Just like in past cycles, many XRP holders will sell at $5, $10, or $20. Others will hold, and those people may be remembered as legends. The future isn't slowing down. Institutional adoption is accelerating, and the financial system is changing faster than most people realize. Stay patient, stay informed. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.